Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset Windows 10 apps and clean data. So this is very easy. So first you need to type add or remove program. Now click on it and open it. Now you see this app list. So just click on it and click on advanced option. And scroll down and you see this reset this option. Just click on it and again click on reset and reset this program. So this way you can reset Windows 10 apps. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.